How to build a funnel using ClickFunnels. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is one of the most popular platforms for internet marketers, and it has been used by all of the top internet marketers around. For example, it has been used by Tai Lopez, it has also been used by Damon John, and it has been used by practically every internet marketer that you can think about. Whether you're looking to create a funnel or you're looking to create a membership site, ClickFunnels is definitely for you. And it is quite easy to get started as you can use their free trial, and I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. Once you have signed up to ClickFunnels, you'll be redirected to this page, and this will be your workspace, or better yet, your ClickFunnels dashboard. And I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. So you can see at the top you have dashboard, then you can also access your funnels, and you can also create products on ClickFunnels by simply tapping on products right there, and you will see all of your products. All you have to do is tap on create product in the top right hand corner to create a product. Let's go back to my dashboard right here, and you can also view your orders. And once you have created your products and you have started to get some sales, you can also view the analytics right here. But the first thing I'm going to be showing you to do is to create a funnel. So all you will need to do is tap on create funnel. Once you have tapped on create funnel, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you're going to tap on create funnel again. Then from here, you can enter your funnel name. So I'll leave this as, I'll simply type in simple answers right here. So let me do that real quick. I'll be naming this funnel simple answers. Then you can see that the name is also the funnel pathway, or better yet, the URL, as you can see right there. Then you are going to tap on create funnel. Once you have tapped on create funnel, you are going to be redirected to a new page on which you'll see numerous templates that you can use, and you can start creating your first funnel. And you can see that this funnel is in test mode. You can disable this from the settings menu at the top right hand corner. So that is if you would like to go live, you'll simply toggle it off. But first, let's create our funnel. So we are going to add the first step by simply tapping on the plus right here. Then you will see the option create a page. We can simply tap on create page. After you have done that, you will see the options. You can add an opt-in page if you want, or if you would like to add a sales page, you can do that, as you can see right here. There are numerous templates that you can choose from. All you have to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and you can choose the option that best suits you depending on the product that you're planning to sell, or so on. So I will select an opt-in page. So I'll tap on opt-in right there. Then let's say I want to use this one. I'll tap on choose. Then after you have done that right there, you can see how it looks right here. Then after you have done that, all you will need to do now is simply tap on create. So you're going to tap on create page. After you have tapped on create page, so that would be our first page right there. We are going to lay out each page, and then I'll show you how to edit it. So this is our first page right there, or better yet, the squeeze page or opt-in page. Once you have done that, we are going to be adding a second page also. So we are going to add a second page real quick. So let's do that. Okay, so we have created our squeeze page or our opt-in page. Then you are going to tap on the circle right below it, right where you see the plus. Then we're going to tap on page at the top right hand corner. Then after tapping on page, what I want you to do next, you're going to simply tap on thank you. So this is going to be our second page right here, like to use. So all you have to do is scroll down until you see one that you like. So let's say, for example, I want to use this one right here. All I would have to do is tap on choose. After you have tapped on choose, you will be redirected to this page right here. Then all we'll need to do now is simply scroll down, and you're going to tap on create page. After you have tapped on create page, we have now created our thank you page. So the next page that we'll be adding would be the download page. So after the thank you page right there, we are going to be adding the download page. So we are going to tap on the plus again. Then we are going to tap on page in the top right hand corner. And after you have done that, all you will need to do now, depending on the offer. So let's say, for example, you could add the order page right here if you want. So you could add a basic order page. So I'll be adding this one right here. So all I would need to do is simply tap on choose. But again, if you would like to add an upsell or downsell, you can also do that. You could add that behind the order page. But for example, I'll be using this order page right here, and I'll simply tap on choose. So you can see right there, they would be able to download the product. Then I'm going to tap on create page. And once the page has been created, I'll be showing you how to edit each section. So you can see that I've now set up my funnel, as you can see right there. So you have the first page at the top, and then you have the other two pages that leads to the order page. So to edit the first page, all you'll need to do is hover over it. Then you could tap on edit. Then once on this page, you can make all the changes you want. You can edit any section. All you have to do is hover over the section and you'll be able to edit it. So let's say, for example, right here, all I have to do is tap on a particular section. If I would like to change the text, I can do that. And also, if you would like to change the font size or the font style, you can do that also. And if you would like to add elements, for example, if you would like to add a video, you can do that. All you have to do is tap on add elements. Then you can add the video, image. If you would like to add a bullet list, you can also do that. You can add anything to the section right here that you want. Once you're finished, all you would have to do is tap on save, or you could tap on the eye to preview your changes, as you can see right here. I do not want to drag out this tutorial, so I won't be making any changes. I would simply leave it as is. Then I'll simply tap on the X right here. I could simply tap on go live page so that you can see right there. This is the live page right there, as you can see right here. So I'll go back. So all I have to do is simply tap on the X right here. Then I'll go back to the funnel. And that's how you'll be able to make changes to each of the funnel pages. And once you have made the changes, all you'll need to do now is go over to the top right hand corner. And then from there you can share your funnel. But before sharing your funnel, you can come off the test mode by simply tapping on settings. Then you'll simply turn off test mode. Right where you see test mode, you're going to tap on no. Then after doing that, you can scroll down. And again, if you would like to add your own domain name, you can do that. But at the moment, I will be using this test domain name that is provided by ClickFunnels. Then you'll simply tap on generate a funnel share link, and you'll be able to share your link, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, and is there any other information that you would like me to go over or explain better, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.